These are the topics which we will be covering today. Watch the video till the end to get the maximum out of it. Let's get started. A very warm welcome to all of you. पर एक मिनट, मैं आप सब लोगों को वेलकम क्यों कर रहा हूँ? As I believe this is your own YouTube channel and we both are on a journey to become a better version of ourselves. So this makes us on the same page. Now, little bit about myself. मेरा नाम विधान पराशर है. I'm a BTech graduate in computer science with specialization in cloud computing. I'm a IBM cloud batch holder, after which I pursued my MBA in the field of marketing. And the reason which brought me here is that I saw hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube about personality development, communication skills, interpersonal skills, and various other skills. But what I researched and what I found out is that there are many of the pages and a lot information which is being untouched. चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिन पे अभी तक फोकस ही नहीं किया गया है. बहुत बातें ऐसी हैं जो अभी तक बताई ही नहीं गई हैं, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एक सक्सेसफुल एम्प्लॉय बनने के लिए, एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बनने के लिए, एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल, एक अच्छा इंसान बनने के लिए. सो here my first question for all of you is, how do you define a good human being? So यहाँ कुछ लोग बोलेंगे जो हमेशा दूसरों को खुशी दे वो एक अच्छा इंसान है, जो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहे वो एक अच्छा इंसान है, जो हमेशा अच्छी बातें अच्छे काम करे वो एक अच्छा इंसान है. Now I would like to define a good human being. He is a person who is in charge of his mind. External factors don't matter to him. He has control over his mind. Just from his presence, he can change the atmosphere around him in a very positive way. People want them around. लोग चाहते हैं उन्हें. और आज के टाइम में बिल्कुल इसका ऑपोजिट हो रहा है. अगर हमारी लाइफ में सब कुछ हमारे अकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है, सब कुछ हमारी सो कॉल्ड कैलकुलेशंस के हिसाब से चल रहा है, देन वी आर हैप्पी एंड वी एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड इसका ऑपोजिट, देन वी आर सैड एंड वी एक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. As you can see that we are completely dependent on the external factors. So this is the first thing which we need to analyze and work upon it. चलिए अब बात कर लेते हैं उन चीज़ों की जो कि हमारे माइंड में सबसे पहले आई थी when we were thinking of a good human being. Those were the personality traits which are depicted in your behavior and act as a support system in making you a good human being. Now here I have used a term called personality. Now what is that? I will define it for you. The word personality comes from a Latin root persona, meaning mask. According to this root, personality is the impression which we make on others and how others perceive us. And it is being defined by J.B. Watson in a very effective way. Like personality is the sum of all the activities that are discovered by actual observation over a very long period of time. Let's take an example of that. For example, if we put two different individuals in same situation, the way they will react and the way they will analyze the situation depending upon their thought process will be completely different. Here comes the difference in personalities. And personality एक दिन, एक हफ्ते या एक महीने में नहीं बनती है. It is a very long process which is dependent on many internal as well as external factors. And let's suppose if a person possesses certain personality traits, that doesn't mean he or she cannot change those traits. But again, it is a very long process. So this was a small introduction to the term personality. And later in my coming videos, I will be discussing more about this term. And we will be looking at every aspect of this term personality, like how to make your personality more effective, what are the traits that you need to develop for an effective personality, and many other aspects. Now we will be moving to the next topic for the day, that is self-awareness. Now, what is self-awareness? Self-awareness, which is also called as self-evaluation, is the first step towards self-development. It is about getting to know yourself, your personality, your attitude, your beliefs, your emotions, your actions, reactions, everything about you. It is basically about getting to know your own personality, awareness about one's own personality. And self-awareness is also of two types: positive self-awareness, negative self-awareness. People who have positive self-evaluation see themselves as effective, capable, and in charge of their mind. People who have negative self-evaluation tend to dislike themselves. Some can be too positive. In this case, they are living in their own dreamy world in which they are capable of everything. But sadly, that is not the reality. सबसे पहले जो हमें टास्क करना है वो ये है कि हमें सेल्फ अवेयर बनना है. So in the next video, we will be covering the topics on benefits of self-awareness and how can one become self-aware. I hope you like the video. So do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon below for the upcoming videos on your complete personality development course. Stay tuned.